Well, the journey has been awesome, wonderful, incredible. A lot of agreements and disagreements on, how should we go about it, how should the program be designed, what all should be done and not be done. But when you stand here today with all these wonderful participants who have taken out their time from their busy schedules and given us this opportunity that we teach them social media, it was literally an amazing experience, guys. And for me, I think now that we have done it for the first time in this magical location like Ladakh, to live up to the expectation, we need to find more wonderful locations firstly, and then also look at this program of what more can be added, because social media is evolving every day. For us as trainers to keep up with it, to catch up on all updates is also a task, and so that also makes this journey very interesting, that you're learning from the participants, you're telling them, giving them knowledge. So the journey has been amazing. We can keep on talking about it, but now we'll really look forward to where are we going next and what more can be given to these participants who showed us their trust, their trust on us, and had a belief that they will gain some knowledge, and I hope they have. So keep looking forward to the next hashtags that we will be making. Yes, as trainers, we are definitely looking forward to it.